Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos and I'm pleased to have another new shape 2023 plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak in stock. So this particular Ranger, as you can see, it's had the wrap ticket added to it, so it's a Wildtrak vehicle with a wrap ticket that's been added. It's also got the power factory roller cover on the rear, I'll show you that, and the tow bar as well as factory options. But the Wildtrak, the new Wildtrak's got a really high spec standard as well, so I'll go through it and show you a few more details. So straight away, as you can see, with the wrap ticket this one's got, it's got the full lettering on the front grille, it's got the lower bumper bar, you've also had the lower front bumper painted black, so normally it's silver, but obviously with that wrap ticket it looks a lot nicer when it's all black. This one's got 20-inch alloys with brand new all-terrain tyres, a wide wheel arch kit fitted as well, so you get that nice aggressive look on the road. Really stands out over and above your standard vehicles. Top of the windows gets the wind deflector, again just a little enhancement to give it a sleeker look. It's a 2-litre twin turbo. You've got the Wildtrak embossing on the leather seats, large screen, obviously that's one of the key upgrades of the new vehicle, getting the touch screen. You get extra stowage on the newer vehicle that you didn't have on the old one, so you've got top stowage there, you've got cup holders in certain areas as well. Down to the rear, condition wise is really nice. Bodywork, interior, really lovely. It's just had a first service as well. Power roller shutter on this one, as I mentioned, so you can operate that in 3 ways, one being the button here, so you push the button and it power opens, push the button again to stop it, and then push it a 3rd time to close. Nice, clean and tidy in there, obviously. So it's actually been used by a businessman, let's put it that way. It's not been used for any sort of hard work or anything like that. It's been almost a family use businessman vehicle. So you can open it up there, you can open it on the button next to the steering wheel, and also a button on the key fob, that rear roller shutter, and it's got the tow bar, and that's in the rear as well. So just back around to the front end view. So these vehicles have got the daytime running lights there, you can see they've got the front and rear parking sensors. You've also got a rear camera as well. Power folding wing mirrors. You've got electric adjustment on the driver's seat. That's the button actually to operate that rear roller shutter. So you see, you pushed it there and it opens, push it again to stop it, and a 3rd time it will then close. Power folding wing mirrors I mentioned. You've got the start button there. It's got one nice feature over and above your older vehicle is the fact that it's got the adaptive cruise control, so we can set the speed, but then we can also set the distance we want to follow a vehicle in front. So you can see there, it will decide how close you follow the vehicle in front, so it accelerates and decelerates, really useful on the motorway as well. And then with these Rangers, you've got a customizable menu, so you can decide what you want to show on the right hand side, or you can have nothing at all. And you can change that screen setup. So as I said, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and speed limiter as well. That's that big screen I mentioned to you earlier. So, and also another addition you get is the heated seats on the Wildtrak, but also a heated steering wheel, which you didn't used to get as well. So nice feature list. Climate control, as you'd expect, and then you've got Apple CarPlay. Let's have a look. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've also got Ford Pass, so you can download the Ford Pass Pro app and you can see where your vehicle's located on a map. You can see if it's locked and unlocked as well. So that's a nice feature that you can activate on these vehicles. Additional settings, so you can see there, cruise control is adaptive, you can turn that off. You've got the speed limiter, lane keeping, pre-collision warning, wrong way alert, and reverse brake assist. If you're reversing, it will apply the brake to stop you hitting something. So again, loads of features and functionality you can change as well yourself. I'm going to turn that one off because I don't like that. Also the wipers, etc. Wiper settings, locks and mirror settings. The other thing, you've got ambient lighting and things like that, which I've got to find the menu for that. I'm not sure where the ambient lighting is right now. Let's see. So within here, you've got also ambient lighting. That's the thing with the new Ranger. It takes a little bit of time to get used to all the settings on there. All right, so automatic, but you've also got the you can change the gears yourself. You've got the manual mode, and you've got the 2-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, low, and also the standard automatic 4-wheel drive, which you didn't used to have on the old model. So you can put it in the auto, and it will just do as a standard 4-wheel drive. As I said, conditions really nice on this particular Ranger. In the rear you've got a USB point down there, charge point for your phone. You've got ISOFIX points, armrest, leather, and that's the tow bar. So it's a detachable tow bar, so that can be fitted if you want it fitted. So this is the Ford Ranger Wildtrak, currently in stock. Thank you very much for watching the video.